Hello everyone, I am Bhavna, Assistant Professor, Department of Law, Jagannath University. We are discussing value-added course, Constitutional Values in Indian Constitution. Today we are discussing Unit 6th. We have discussed till Unit 5th further. So we'll be starting with Introduction to Indian Judiciary. What is Indian Judiciary? It serves as a bedrock of the robust democracy, guaranteeing justice and upholding the principle of the rule of law, compromising the Supreme Court, High Court and subordinate courts, establish a comprehensive legal framework across the nation. A vital characteristic as is its unwavering commitment to judicial independence, ensuring an impartial and just process. Judges are appointed based on their legal acumen and integrity, securing their position and enabling them to perform their duties without any external pressure. Moreover, the judiciary's financial autonomy further fortifies its independence. This institutional setup not only balances the distribution of power within the state but also acts as a safeguard for citizens' rights, fostering a sense of trust in both the legal system and the broader governance structure, because judiciary is the place where we seek our justice. So, power of judicial review and theory of basic structures. First is power of judicial review. What is judicial review? Judicial review stands as a cornerstone endowing the judiciary with the authority to assess the constitutionality of laws, policies and executive actions. If they stands with all the laws, policies and executive actions or not. Through this mechanism, the courts protect citizen fundamental rights, preventing any encroachment upon individual liberties. Notably, the very famous case, Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973, underscored the significance of its power by establishing that the Parliament's amending authority is subject to the basic structure of the Constitution, preventing arbitrary modification to its foundation tenets. What is basic structure? So, which judicial review comes along with the basic structure? As we have discussed about the Keshwanand Bharti case, I think it's must to discuss the basic structure of the Constitution. The theory of basic structure is vital in preserving the sanity of the Constitution. By safeguarding core principles from alteration, it ensures that democratic ideals and individual rights remain inviolable. And prominent illustration of this doctrine emerged in the Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan case, where it was established that fundamental aspects of the Constitution cannot be altered capriciously. The mechanism not only prevents arbitrary amendments but also strikes a delicate equilibrium between stability and progress by imparting the judiciary with the responsibility of overseeing this balance. The theory upholds the Constitution integrity, preventing undue modification by any branch of the government. So this was a basic structure, and I think the mechanism should work like that only. Right to constitutional remedies and writs. Every individual has a right to get remedies from the Constitution as well, and there are some writs as well which we can use for our remedies from the courts. So, rights to constitutional remedies, access to justice, which includes the first article, which is 32, where we can seek justice from Supreme Court, and from Article 2 to 6 we seek from the High Courts, and citizens' right to seek legal remedy for the violation of their fundamental rights. Protection against state action. These provisions empower individuals to challenge government action that infringe upon their rights, ensuring accountability and justice. For an example, if anything happen against you and where state is liable for that, where you will go? It's a general thought of an individual where I'll seek the justice. From this article, you can seek justice. You can go to Supreme Court. You can go to High Court. So, how you will go? What would be the procedure? These writs are the procedure for that. There are 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. Of course, they have their own specific area where you can go through and a subsequent manner also. So, habeas corpus, that this writs safeguard personal liberty, by requiring authorities to produce detained individual before the court and preventing unlawful arrest or detentions. Mandamus compels public officials to perform their legal duties, ensuring accountability and proper functioning of government institutions. Prohibition orders lower courts from exceeding their jurisdiction, maintaining a hierarchical structure of the judiciary. Certiorari, this writ quashes order of inferior court if beyond their jurisdiction, ensuring fairness and preventing misuse of power. Quo warranto ensures that public office are held by rightful individual, preventing any unauthorized occupation. These are somewhere defined way of going through these writs where an individual can seek their own remedies through the constitution. In conclusion, if I say, the Indian judiciary with its principle of independence and integrated structure plays a vital role in upholding democratic values and ensuring justice. Through the power of judicial review, the judiciary safeguards citizen rights by assessing the constitutionality of the laws and policies. The theory of basic structure preserves the essence of the constitution, maintaining a delicate balance between the stability and progress. Additionally, the right of constitutional remedy empowers citizens to seek legal recourse against rights violation, foster accountability and ensuring the protection of individual liberties. Writs further enhance the judiciary's effectiveness by providing specific legal remedies such as habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. These tools ensure that the legal system remains accessible, efficient and just. Collectively, these concepts underscore the judiciary's crucial role as a guardian of the constitution and a safeguard for citizens' rights, instilling trust in the legal system and reinforcing the foundation of Indian democracy. That's it. This is same for the Indian judiciary. Thank you.